China's private insurance sector is booming. As the nation's population gets older, commercial insurance has become a hot sector for investment, and some of China's biggest publicly traded companies are getting on board. Jin Tao reports.
A typical morning at a Chinese insurance company. Inspirational words and music. A marketing director with New China Insurance, Jing Li, encourages her sales force to sell insurance packages to future clients.
If someone has a major illness, especially cancer, government insurance isn't always enough. So a lot of times, people decide to pay for insurance out of their own pockets. If a customer has insurance worth, for example, 500,000 yuan, and he gets sick with a major illness, he won't have to show the hospital bills. He would automatically receive 500,000 yuan. He can buy all kinds of treatment with this money, and there are no constraints.
This customer has been buying private health insurance for himself and his family since 1996.
I've learned through my experiences overseas that insurance markets are really advanced in some developed countries. I have faith in New China Insurance. I've been a client for over 20 years. I've been watching it develop for years.
And there is still a lot of opportunity to grow. Luo Ying is the managing director of the Boston Consulting Group.
So consumers have very low awareness of these products. We did the survey of 1,000 consumers. So among these 1,000 consumers, about 20% of the consumers answered that they don't even know this product exists. And we also interviewed some high net worth people, middle class and affluent people. They have very strong needs of these products, but they have no idea where to buy it.
The idea of getting everything insured doesn't seem to be something that's deeply rooted in the Chinese culture. People tend to have high banking savings or rely on the help of their family members to mitigate the risks. But as the cost of living rises and family size is getting smaller, the dynamic is changing.
Private health insurance market has been developing at a lightning pace. So in 2015, sales of private health insurance grew by 51%. In first half of 2016, it grew over 100% over the first half of 2015. So this is an amazingly, explosively positive story, and it's positive because it's good for everybody.
When Mr. Tembo visited United Family Healthcare for an appointment, the company already had his medical history on hand.
When people go to the public hospital under the public health insurance, usually it's a very long process, and you wait in line several times. You may see the doctor for 10 minutes or 5 minutes if you're lucky, right? Sometimes it's 1 minute check, then you go off do some other things. If you have the private insurance, first of all, you can sort of plan your daily schedule. You can call in advance, you can come here, you know you have a good 30 or 45 minutes with the doctors if you really need to.
China's developing insurance industry, helping to modernize the country's health sector, making it more efficient and more tailored to patients' needs. Jin Chao, CCTV, Beijing.